Get him? Wow, that poor rabbit didn't stand a chance, man. And they didn't even give him a chance to warm up. Woo! First rabbit of the day. Fancy jumped him. Good job. I think Danny got him. Oh yeah, bro.
Right here.
Ah.
Right here.
Okay.
Keep on around.
Yeah, keep on back up in there.
There you
Man. Where you been? You been helping them out? Good dog. Good boy. Good girl. You helped them out? I think I better start paying a little more attention to Fancy, man.
Yeah.
Them other dog passed right over that rabbit. She stayed to it. They all in front of you? Is all the dogs in front of you? Oh, man. Fancy, calm down. Get over here, Boogie. Come here. Stay here. Come here, Boogie. Come here, Boogie. Are they in that field? Come here, Boogie. I think Mr. Thompson got him. Got him, Danny? Yeah. I knew he was running close. Well, you got a good enough shot on him. You stopped him.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
See all that fur?
Yeah.
His ass.
Yeah, you busted him.
Look at him. He's still alive.
Yeah, he's still alive. He can't go nowhere though. Yeah, he running hard. That's a nice one. Hey, Fancy. Hey, puppy. Hey, come on. Good, Fancy. I know what you do.
Yeah.
She deserve it. Fancy. Here you go, Danny. Yes, indeed. They was putting it on him.
Yeah, they put it on his ass.
Put it on him.
He thought he was going to get by.
Yeah.
I was watching for. I figured he was going to come along here, either on this out edge or over in that other edge. I was up on the ridge watching.
And he's coming along the edge.
Right along the edge right there. And he saw me.
Yeah. Well, he done seen you more than one time because he saw you the first time, too.
Yeah.
See, so...
Too late, buddy.
Yeah, so we...
You saw me and I saw you.
Yeah, he come on back, so... Yeah, that's a last year rabbit there, man. That's a last year rabbit. Good job. Yeah, play with them puppies with him, man. Yeah, let him get it in his mouth.
Yeah.
He ain't gonna do no harm. Yeah, okay, Bo. I know you did good. I got some water for you back at the truck. Yeah.
There you go.
Come on. Let's get another one. Good job. Whoop! Come on, Fancy. You're doing good. I know they out there, bro. Yeah. That's what they're doing. In the daytime. But they jumped him. He got up right there.
Right in there.
She put him up right in there. Yeah.
I thought he was a bird at first.
Low
flying.
Yeah, because that hill going up. She was on him though, because Fancy pushed him from back there.
Yeah.
Pushed him from back there. You take... Yeah. Yeah, she definitely get the start today. She been coming on like that lately, man. She been coming on like that lately, so she a special pup. She got that nose. Fancy? Yeah, Fancy about a year and a half. Still a baby, man. But that's the way Bella is. Bella got a cold nose.
Yeah.
See, the other dogs don't smell it, but she smell it.
Yeah.
And heck, that rabbit could have been running there for I don't know how long.
Yeah.
And she picked it up.
Yeah.
But you know, when that cold nose turns into a hot trail,
yeah.
that's a good thing.
Yeah.
I mean, a hound that just bark like that other dog Kevin got.
Yeah.
But I pay strict attention to Fancy when she start barking, because she done proved to me that she be trailing something.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I don't take it for granted. This is kind of thin, but when we get up in that corner up there, it's kind of thick. Yeah. And we'll start swinging back around. I don't know if they'll jump another one up through here. Don't matter where I put these dogs at. It doesn't matter where I put these dogs down at.
There's something in there, they're going to get it.
There's something in there, they're going to get it. Quite different than that other pack I had, man.
Yeah.
You put them something gun down there, run into Junction City, lose it on the way back, and come on back and check in.
Yeah, sit down. Look at you.
Yeah. What we gonna do there?
Yeah.
You know, these dogs, they don't stop until I show them the rabbit if they're still running.